start by opening the two side panel doors of the Venture booth. Once that is done, locate the two wing nuts on the underside of the top Venture shelf and remove them. Then disconnect the mini USB cable from the camera, followed by the hot shoe located on the top of the camera. Then, loosen the butterfly screw under the camera cradle and rotate it. This will give you easy access to unscrew the camera mount screw. With all the connections and screws removed, take the camera out of the booth and remove the dummy battery from the battery compartment. Next, remove the camera cradle from the booth. For the next step, you will need a pliers wrench to loosen the flashes. Use the pliers wrench to loosen one of the flashes, then loosen the rest by hand. Remove the flash from the booth and disconnect the power cable and sync cable. Now, repeat the process for the other flash. Now that your flashes and camera are out of the booth, you can fix or replace them with new components. Reconnect the power cable and sync cable to one of the flashes and place it back on the top shelf, ensuring it is securely tightened with the pliers wrench. Repeat these steps for the other flash. Now, reinstall the camera cradle into the booth and hand tighten the two wing nuts located on the underside of the top shelf. With the cradle in place, insert the dummy battery into the camera and place it back into the booth. Secure the camera to the cradle using the butterfly screw, then screw the camera mount screw. Then, reattach the hot shoe and reconnect the mini USB cable. With everything reassembled, close the two side panel doors. Congratulations, you have successfully replaced the flashes and camera in your Venture booth.